In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase Yahoo Mail storage. If your Yahoo Mail inbox is starting to feel full, the first thing to understand is that increasing available space often comes down to managing what's already in your account. A good place to begin is the Yahoo Help Center, where you can confirm the latest storage information and review any account options that may apply to you. Next, sign into your Yahoo Mail account and check your current storage or mailbox usage, if that information is available in your settings. This gives you a clear starting point, so you know whether you're actually running low on space or just trying to stay organized before it becomes a problem. Once you've checked that, start deleting unnecessary emails. Go through old messages you no longer need, especially promotions, notifications, and outdated conversations. After that, make sure to empty both your trash and spam folders. This is important because deleting an email doesn't always free up space right away unless those folders are cleared as well. Another effective way to recover storage is by removing emails with large attachments. Search through your mailbox for messages that contain big files, such as photos, videos, or documents. If there's anything important, download those attachments to your computer or save them to a cloud storage service first. Once they're safely backed up, delete the emails to free up room in your inbox. You should also unsubscribe from newsletters and mailing lists you no longer read. This won't just help reduce clutter today, but it will also slow down how quickly your inbox fills up in the future. For important files you want to keep, consider archiving them somewhere else. You can save photos, videos, and documents to services like Google Drive, OneDrive, or even an external hard drive. After you've confirmed everything is backed up, go ahead and delete the original emails from Yahoo Mail. Along the same lines, for large files going forward, it's smarter to use cloud storage instead of keeping everything in your inbox. Upload the file to your preferred cloud service and share a link when needed. This helps keep your mailbox lighter and easier to manage. You should also review your Yahoo account settings to see whether any storage-related options or premium features are available in your region. Availability can vary, so it's worth checking what Yahoo currently offers. Finally, keep your inbox organized on a regular basis. Delete unwanted emails, empty trash, and manage large attachments before they build up. With a little routine maintenance, you can keep Yahoo Mail running efficiently and avoid storage problems over time.